Welcome to BA Careers. In this article, let us discuss about what is manual testing. Topics covered. 1. What is manual testing? 2. Key points about manual testing. 3. Advantages of manual testing. 4. Disadvantages of manual testing. What is manual testing? Manual testing is a type of software testing where testers execute test cases manually without the use of any automation tools. This process ensures that the software system is functioning correctly and meets the specified requirements. Manual testing is the most primitive technique of all testing types and helps find bugs in the software system. Key points about manual testing. Human element. It requires a tester to play the role of an end user and use most of all features of the application to ensure correct behavior. Test cases. Testers usually have a set of test cases that they need to follow. These test cases describe the setup, actions, and expected outcomes. Test cases can be designed for various testing levels and types, such as functional, integration, system, and acceptance testing. Exploratory testing. Unlike systematic testing using predefined test cases, exploratory testing is a more informal approach where testers actively explore the application's functionalities and try to discover defects. Documentation. Detailed documentation is often maintained during manual testing to record the results, deviations, defects, and feedback. Advantages. Can discover usability issues since real humans are interacting with the software. Can be more flexible and adaptive to changes. Does not require initial investment in automation tools. Disadvantages. Can be time-consuming and less consistent. May not be feasible for large-scale repetitive testing scenarios. Can be prone to human errors. Comparison with automated testing. While manual testing involves human intervention, automated testing uses scripts and tools to run tests. Automated testing is suitable for repetitive tasks, regression testing, and scenarios that require executing the same set of tasks repeatedly. On the other hand, manual testing is often better suited for exploratory, usability, and ad hoc testing scenarios. In many software development environments, both manual and automated testing are used in conjunction to achieve a broad and effective testing strategy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.